Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about something simple, sweet, and super beneficial: bananas. These yellow wonders are not just delicious, they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So, let's dive right in. First off, bananas are nutritional powerhouses. They're brimming with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, manganese, and fiber. These nutrients are vital for our bodies to function efficiently and maintain overall health. Think of them as nature's multivitamin. Now, let's talk about blood sugar. Bananas can actually help you maintain stable blood sugar levels. Thanks to their pectin and resistant starch content, they're particularly beneficial for those who need to manage their glucose levels. Isn't that amazing? Moving on to digestion. Bananas are loaded with fiber, which is great for your digestive system. They help prevent constipation and ensure everything runs smoothly down there. Who knew something so tasty could be so good for your gut? Next up is heart health. The potassium in bananas plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and protecting your heart. This nutrient helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, eating bananas is like giving your heart a little love each day. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, bananas can help with that too. They're low in calories but high in fiber, which helps create a feeling of fullness. This can support effective weight loss without feeling deprived. Talk about a win-win. So there you have it. We've explored the wonderful benefits of bananas, from essential nutrients to heart health and even weight loss. Adding bananas to your daily diet can truly make a difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Bananas are also incredibly versatile. You can add them to your smoothies, cereals, or even bake them into delicious treats. Banana bread, banana pancakes, and banana muffins are just a few examples of how you can enjoy this fruit in different ways. They make a great addition to breakfast, providing a quick and easy way to start your day with a boost of energy. Bananas are also perfect for on-the-go snacks. Just toss one in your bag, and you have a healthy snack ready whenever you need it. Plus, they come in their own natural packaging, making them convenient and mess-free. So, whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, bananas are a fantastic choice for a nutritious snack. And let's not forget, sharing bananas with friends and family can be a fun and healthy way to bond. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bunch of bananas.